Welcome back to Bird's Garage. This is kind of just a quick little update video on what we've done. We got our windshield in. We put the trim on. I'll probably add a little clip of us putting the trim in because it was a pain in the butt and it took forever and you really don't care anyway because it was like just pushing it in and figuring out how to do it. I'll add a little clip in right here. Probably while I'm talking, you're watching it right now. We haven't put the bottom trim on yet because I'm going to have to drill new holes in where the trim mounts. So, I don't know. We may not even put the bottom trim in. We might leave it like that and then just paint the rest of this, you know, tape it off and just in here. We'll see. I don't know. Because that bottom trim was what kind of soaked in the leaves and dirt and kind of kept all of that in to make all the rust happen to begin with. So we're probably not going to put the trim down there. And we're going to leave it like that. Next thing that we're going to do is we're going to work on the fan, because yesterday we tried to drive the car down the road, but as soon as we put it in reverse, the fan stopped working and it blew 2 fuses on it. So we got to see what's going on with it. We probably got some rust or something stuck in the fan from whenever we were cutting all of it out. Probably didn't clean it out as good as we should have. So we're going to take that out. We're probably going to do like a little short on that, so we'll add that into this also so that y'all be able to see us doing just a little quick thing with the fan. And then once we get that going, we're going to vacuum this thing out and drive it down the road so that y'all can see what exactly this thing can do finally. It's about 105 degrees outside right now, so it's pretty rough. So hopefully that fan works, because I don't want to drive this car if there's no AC.
Alright, so the car is going right now?
Yep, first drive with the windshield with a car that's pretty much drivable for real now. So seems to be doing pretty good for us. We got the AC charged. Now we're just checking to see if it'll
Oh, you got the AC section on?
yeah, it's doing decent for being 102 degrees outside right now. So we don't have the windows down, so it is at least cooling enough for that.
It's a little cold.
Yeah. Something
where it's actually like 20 degrees.
Yeah.
30.
So it isn't like it's really going to be a big deal or anything, and that we just have to have that. So we're going to pull into here real quick, and that might do it for this video, or we might be back again. We'll just have to see. And so look at this. I didn't even realize it until now. It actually will show you what the temperature is outside. And if I can get the glare to get off of that thing, it says it is 105 degrees. And we're sitting in the car with the windows up.
105.
Yeah, it says 105 outside right now. So AC at least works. But man, why is it so hot outside? This is ridiculous. I'm tired of it. Time for winter, right?
Yes.
Oh, hey, by the way, so since the video's over with, do you want to do an outro or anything? Is there anything you want to tell everybody?
But yeah.
Like what? Go ahead.
Thank you for watching this clip of us driving. Hope you liked the video and see us and subscribe and see the next videos we have up to post.
And by the way, how many subscribers do we have?
Like 103, 104.
104.
Oh yeah, we're reaching for the 200 subscribers.
Yeah, we're going for 200 now. Hopefully we can get it soon. Y'all check out those shorts also, because we are doing shorts now too. We're doing like little, you know, updates here and there on what's going on with it. So
Made by me.
yep, and they're all made by Lambert the cameraman. So check those out also, and stay tuned for what we do next.